Question number 8. A ship of mass is approaching a harbor with 16.4 meter per second, let us say U, by using reverse thrust. That means what? So you are applying a reverse thrust, you are applying a braking force, so that it can maintain a total stopping force of 920,000 Newton. How long will it take to stop? That means when you say it is coming to stop, what do you mean by it? The final velocity is 0. So how long? What do you mean by how long? The time taken. So m is given, u is given, v is given, t should be found out, and f is also given. So how do you do? You can just find f is equal to m into v minus u divided by t over here. Now what is f? F is nothing but 920,000 is equal to m 8.4 into 10 to the power of 7 into v is 0, u is 16.4 divided by time taken. Now determine what is the value of time here. Value of time here is t is equal to 8.4 into 16.4 into 10 power 7 divided by 92 4 zeros. In fact, I have missed a negative sign over here, okay, because time is always positive, so I ignore that, and moreover there should be a stopping force, so there should have been a negative here, so those negatives will cancel each other. Now let us calculate what is this value. So this should be 8.4 multiplied by 16.4 divided by 92. I get the answer is 1.49. 1.49 into 10 to the power of, now what is this now? Here it is 10 power 7, here it is 10 power 4. So 10 power 7 minus 4 should be 10 power 3 seconds. But what is being asked, do we have this 1.5 into 10 cube, which is how much? 1500 seconds. Do we have? No. So 15 seconds, 150 seconds. No, it's not there. So this should be 1500 seconds. I need to convert it into minutes. Okay. So I will do it here. 1500 divided by 60. When I do this, how much do I get? So I get this as 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 2s are 12, 30, 6 5s are 30, 25 minutes. Answer is C.